ready, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. There we go. No turning back now.
Just got in the Flagstaff. I've seen that thing before.
So
Sediment in this stuff. Jesus. Dallas water. Not like the batteries.
don't want none of this, my guy.
Oh, buddy.
Don't want none of this, my guy.
Right, so we got a hike all the way down to Tanner Beach right there. Then we follow the river all the way here to way over there. Day one. And, it's beautiful weather. Got Papa Smurf, you got Big Cox, and mini fridge in the back.
Hot deal. It's hot deal.
This is true. This is true. This dude is kind of a hot deal. You gotta love the view. Look at the view.
Back, baby. Man, this camera doesn't do it justice.
Whoop whoop show.
Yeah.
Glad I didn't come out here by myself.
Yeah. Me too. Steven had me thinking made for this shit. Built for this. A patch donkey, bro. Like a jackass.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw!
We're going down, and then that's the beach we're going to right there.
Day one lunch break. Got some hummus. Dude, on point. And check out this. I'm gonna zoom in here. He's cooking on Troy's stove.
This, I would raft it. I seriously would. Like 1,000 miles, you know, or like 500 miles. Tanner Beach.
left Tanner Beach. I'm gonna hike a couple more, about another hour. Try to get a couple more hours in, since we got a little bit more daylight.
It's amazing from right here. Right. Yeah. It's beautiful.
Amazing place, man.